Hello, how are you? How are your parents? Do you go for a morning walk? Do you take exercise daily? At what time do you get up early? At what time do you go to bed? Do you take tea or milk in the morning? Who is your family doctor? What's your blood group? What's your weight? What's your height? What do you do when you have headache? Do you take medicine? What do you take in breakfast? At what time do you take your lunch? What's your menu in dinner? Do you like green vegetable? Which vitamin is beneficial for eyes? Are you quite well today? What should we do to maintain good health? Thank you.